Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how to do life mapping. Success is more than just economic gains, titles and degrees. Planning for success is about mapping out all the aspects of our lives. Similar to a map, you need to define the following details: origin, destination, vehicle, backpack, landmark and route. So let's go through each one and discuss what it is. So origin is who you are. A map has a starting point. So your origin is who you are right now. Most people, when they are asked to introduce themselves, they would say, "Hi, my name is Jean," or whatever their name is, and I am this much years old, a senior high school student. It does not tell you about who Jean is. It only tells you her present preoccupation. So in order to gain insight about yourself, you need to look closely at your beliefs, values, principles, aside from your economic, professional, cultural, and civil status. Moreover, you can also reflect on your experiences in order to give you insight on your good and not so good traits, skills, knowledge, strengths, and weaknesses as well. Upon further introspection, Jean, which we used in our first example, she realized that she was highly motivated, she was generous, service-orientated, and impatient as well. Her inclination was in the biological medical field. Furthermore, she believed that life must serve a purpose and that wars were destructive to human dignity. So what about destination? Destination is a vision of who you want to be. Who do you want to be? And this is going to be your vision. Now it's important that you know yourself so that you would also have a clearer idea of who you want to be and the things that you want to change, whether they are attitudes, habits, or points of view. If you hardly know yourself, then your vision and targets for the future would also be unclear. Your destination should cover all the aspects of your being, the physical, emotional, intellectual, and spiritual aspects as well. Continuing with our example of Jean, so after she defined her values, her beliefs, principles in life, she decided that she wanted to have a life dedicated to serving her fellow men. So what is your vehicle? Your vehicle is your mission. A vehicle is the means by which you can reach your destination. It can be analogized to your mission or vacation in life. To a great extent, your mission would depend on what you know about yourself. So based on Jean's self-assessment, she decided that she was suited more to become a doctor and that she wanted to become one. Her chosen vocation was a medical doctor. Describing her vision mission fully, it was simply to live a life dedicated to serving her fellow men as a doctor in conflict areas. How about the travel bag? It is simply your knowledge, your skills, and your attitude. So food, drinks, medicines, and other traveling necessities are contained in a bag. So in order to apply this concept to your life map, you can also bring with you certain knowledge, skills, and attitudes. This will greatly help in determine your competence and help you in attaining your vision as well. Given this example, there is a need for you to assess what knowledge and skills and attitudes you have at present time and what you need to gain along the way. So using the twofold assessment, it will give you insight on your landmarks and on your measures of success. For example, Jean realized that she needed to gain professional knowledge and skills on medicine so that she can become a doctor. She knew that she was a bit impatient with people, so she realized that there was something she wanted to change. Landmarks and route are SMART objectives. Landmarks confirm if you are on the right track, while the route determines the travel time. So in order to effectively plan out your life, you also need to have landmarks and a route. These landmarks are your measures of success. These measures must be SMART, which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. So you cannot set two major landmarks such as earning a master's degree and a doctorate degree within a period of 3 years, since the minimum number of years to complete a master's degree is 2 years. Going back to Jean as our example, she identified the following landmarks in her life map and she completed the bachelor degree biology by the age of 21. Again, she has another phase where it's completing medicine by the age of 27, earning her specialization in infectious diseases by the time she was 30, and getting deployed in a local public hospital of their town by the age of 32, and also lastly serving as a doctor in a war-torn areas by the age of 35. Anticipation turns, detours, and potholes. The purpose of your life map is to minimize hasty and spur-of-the-moment decisions that can make you lose your way. But oftentimes our plans are modified along the way due to some inconveniences, delays, or other situations beyond our control. But the most important thing here is that even though there will be delays, there will be some cuts or some modifications that need to be made along the way, the life map will be always there in front of you to reflect back on and to remind you what is your major goal, what is your major purpose that you want to achieve, and it will put you back in track to go back to where you last stopped and keep on going. So like in any path, there are turns, detours, and potholes. So we must anticipate them and adjust accordingly. And then the most important thing is to have faith. Have faith that everything's going to be okay. Everything will turn out great. So we've come towards the end of our video. If you found this video helpful, if you've enjoyed how we set out a life plan in order to plan out your vision, please like, share, and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.